Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with one color challenge, and today we have yellow. As you know, I have drawn red, orange, and now it's yellow. I'm drawing in rainbow colors. I'm following rainbow colors, and yeah, today I want to draw a yellow, and he is male in gender, and he is so beautiful. Like, he loves music, he loves stars, and he's always happy, and he doesn't care about famosity or money. He's just very happy all the time. I'm very beautiful. Sorry, I can't upload videos this week. It is only this video this week. There is no any video on Thursday. I have exams this week on school, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much it's hard to do exams. Anyway, but I'm preparing for something big. Next week we're going to have 4 videos, so all the week we'll have videos. I want to draw very fast because I have a lot of ideas for the next section. Still, we are in yellow. I already uploaded. I have the green character, the blue, the purple, the black. All of them are with me, but still you need to capture them and edit them. And uploading YouTube is not that easy. It takes time because you want to figure out the title, the description, the tags. So that's why you find I'm late or I don't upload. My art is very simple. I can finish drawing at 15 minutes if I have the idea, but editing and uploading is very hard and it takes a lot of time. Anyway, as I told you, he loves stars. He is very simple. He have a smile on his face always, and yeah. So if you haven't watched Red and Orange, please go and watch them. They are so beautiful. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, go and follow me. I will be very happy if you follow me there. I draw on Instagram. I upload the sketches before I capture them on YouTube. So if you are curious of my next video, you have to follow me on my Instagram. Anyway, I'm not sick, but I'm editing this video in the morning, at the very early morning, so I'm still asleep. I'm sorry, this week is very horrible. The video quality is low, there is only one video. Sorry, I am really sorry, but this is happening. I have to pass the exams, and I have 10 subjects, and I don't know. Anyway, so this is the final results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye. See you later in a new video. And as I told you, all the links, you have my Instagram, the previous videos, and all other links in the description box. So bye, see you next week.